You know, this is like a Christmas morning. Feels like Christmas morning, yet it's not, but it feels like it. I remember my mom. I love the food in Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, Christmas morning. Why does it always seem to taste better on those days? But you come down in the morning to be a grapefruit cut in half with a cherry in the middle, and she used to make various things. But I remember one thing that stands out would be quiche. What a great, awesome thing to have Christmas morning, especially a really good one. You can't beat the pie crust ones, but there's a great way to cheat that she found out. And I learned how to make that, and it's absolutely amazing. You don't have to make the dough, you don't have to roll it out, none of that bullshit. It's a quick and easy quiche you can have in just 1 hour. And you use this stuff called Bisquick. You mix it all together, bake it, and ta-da, you got a quiche with a built-in crust. It's unreal. Let's make it now. You'll love it. Anyways, I'm gonna make the quiche with Bisquick. This is the stuff right here. Bisquick. Look at that. Check that out. This is what I've been talking about. It's very simple. The ingredients, you don't want to read it because you'll realize you're going to die. But it's quick and easy, right? So we're going to do it with this. We'll start right now. Show you what you need. So you got your spices, pepper, salt, some garlic, milk, Bisquick, a grater, onions, pepper, mushrooms, some eggs, ham, asparagus, and cheese. First thing you're going to do, chop up your mushrooms, onion, and peppers, and we're going to saute them in a pan. Yep, here it is all chopped up in the pan. Going to saute it on the stove, and while that's cooking, we're going to mix the wet ingredients. Two cups of milk, some salt and pepper, season as you wish. I'm going to add a bit of garlic powder, a pinch of curry, just a hint, just to give it a nice round taste. And I'm not too sure about this one. I'm going to put some poultry seasoning in there. Eggs, comes from a chicken. I might add some chicken in this too with the ham. Why not? So let's add this. Experiment. Can't be that bad. Now I'm going to add some grated old cheddar. You can choose any kind of cheese you want, but old cheddar is for me. And we'll just dump that cheese right in there. Oh yeah. Now we're going to add 1 cup of Bisquick into your bowl. Now with a fork, mix her all up. Now with a fork, mix her all up. Now you're going to get yourself a pie plate, or in this case, I'm going to use a ceramic baking dish. You're going to grease it. You're going to line your sauteed vegetables on the bottom, some of them, and then pour the mixture over top. And then we're going to put some of the more of the mushroom, onion, green pepper mixture on top of that. Lay some, put the meat, your chopped up ham. I might add some chicken to it. Bacon, whatever you want to use, it's fine. Then I'm going to lay some asparagus on top of that, make it look extra special. Then you can sprinkle some grated cheese on top of that. Then you're going to put it in the oven. At 400. You want to preheat your oven at 400, by the way. Oh yeah, it looks great. Smells awesome. Look at that. I think it's ready to add to the pan. Excellent. Okay, the pan's all greased. Now I'm going to lay the sauteed vegetable mixture on the bottom. Oh yeah. Now once you get your sauteed vegetables lined on the bottom of the pan, the greased pan, you're going to add your wet ingredients, the Bisquick, the egg, the cheese, everything. Just pour it right over top. Luckily, the pan's the right size. I thought maybe it might overflow, but no, I did good. Look at that, it's so cool. So easy. Chopped ham. Now some chopped roasted chicken. Little overkill, but who gives a shit? Now lay some asparagus on the top. It'll look fantastic. Impress your friends and impress yourself. Alright, it's all ready to go in. Look at that. I topped it with the cheese, the remaining of the vegetables, sauteed vegetables, asparagus, and now we're going to stick it in the oven. Okay, so again, the oven's at 400. It's all preheated. I'm gonna stick this in here now. There we go. And 50 minutes later, set a timer to 50 minutes. You just check it with the knife. If the knife comes out clean, it's done. Oh man, it smells amazing in here. Wow. I pulled it out of the oven. You test it by putting a knife in it. If it comes out clean, it's done. And here it is. Check that out. Amazing. Gonna sit it down, let it cool, and then try it out. There you have it. Check that out. I got some people anticipating trying it out. I got a little elf, snowman, gingerbread man. You guys better not eat it, because I need to try it first. Look at that. Amazing. Oh man, I can't wait any longer for this thing to cool down. I don't care if it's hot as hell. I gotta cut into this and try it out. Oh yeah, great. Now I like to add some ketchup to it. You could put salsa beside it, salsa, whatever you call it. But this will do. Ah, here goes. Smells amazing. Will it taste just as good? Absolutely phenomenal. You gotta make this for Christmas or any other time. You're gonna love it. Quiche made with Bisquick in a pan, high plate, whatever. Works fantastic. This is quick and easy. You're gonna love it. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna eat.